Hi, welcome to Let's Connect. I'm Miss Stephanie. We're going to do 2 more yoga poses from the book Yoga Bear by Sarah Jane Hinder. Today, we are going to do, this pose is an animal that has no legs or arms, and it slithers like this. Can you guess what animal that is? I'm thinking of a snake. See that snake? Slither and slide across the leaves. Push up and make a hiss. Snake. Let's try it. Lie down on your tummies, and you can slither and slide like you're a snake. And then put your hands right under your shoulders and push up. And then you could stick your tongue out and hiss like a snake. Hiss. Hiss. Come back down and slither some more. Let's see what other animal pose we can do today. Oh, this one looks fun. Monkey. Cheeky fun, jumpity jump and swing from tree to tree. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Let's try this yoga pose, monkey pose. Stand up. Put your feet kind of far apart and then bend your knees and put your arms up. You can jump up and down like a monkey and move your arms from side to side like a monkey and make monkey sounds. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Did you try it? Did you feel like a monkey? You can try any of these yoga poses. They help your body feel good and they help your mind feel good. So today, try acting like a snake and slither and hiss. Or try acting like a monkey. Bend your knees and put your arms up like this and say, ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Thank you, friends.